Welcome to my channel, Nugget Shooterette Expeditions. My name is Tammy if you're new to the channel. And today I decided to come out and do a little detecting. We're out camping finally. I'm so glad to be out of the house. We haven't been camping, so it's November or December, I think. So it's a much needed nature therapy time. But I wasn't going to film, didn't even put a stitch of makeup on. And I forgot my belt that I wear with my metal detecting pants to hold my cargo pants up. So I'm wearing leggings, so I'm metal detecting in leggings instead of metal detecting pants and my knee pads. So that's a sight for sore eyes, but anyways, do what you gotta do. But we're just detecting here near camp. As you can see, we're just set up right here. And then we got Bruno. And of course, everybody knows the star, Mr. Southern. He was just putting some tape on my pick for me because it was rubbing my hand raw. So, anyways, we're gonna go out here for a little bit, hang out, hopefully get a nugget. Well, I'm gonna get a nugget. I always try to say I'm gonna get a nugget. But y'all know how it goes too with all the trash digging too, because it's inevitable. You're going to dig trash and lots of it. But okay, I'm gonna get my detector and get at it. Get back with you. Hello there. So that prickly pear over there, honey. Hey y'all. I got Bill filming me for fun. He's taking me over here to a spot he says he's got, well.
You found a heart-shaped nugget there.
Did
going
I?
right over the hill here.
Oh, I don't notice. I've hunted so many places I can't remember where we hunt.
There goes Bruno.
And
I call him Bob.
And sometimes I forget the terrain. But yeah, we're going over this way where he says I've been before, but that was like 6 years ago or something, or 5 years ago. But yeah, it's a beautiful day out here, y'all. Get me a nugget. I thought I'd share this with y'all real quick. I stopped. But look, well, as you can see, the desert is quite green. We finally got the rain we usually are supposed to get, but we went like 3 years with a drought. But as you can see, all the greenery, the little different pieces of grass growing around the cactus. It's quite green, the desert is right now. But basically what I was trying to show y'all is all these wild onions coming up. They're not ready, but I hope you can see them. There's a bunch of them. See them all? But yeah, this is actually onion, but they're not ready. But I'll pull a piece off. Smells good. See, there's a piece of it. But yeah, you could actually eat them if you had to. But of course they're not ready. But there's a lot of them growing right here in the area. But okay, I'm gonna get up this hill, get back at it. Alright, got my first signal right here. Where is it? So, you know what that means. I'm going to dig it up, get it in the scoop, and get back with y'all. Alright, hopefully y'all can see me. I believe I got it out the hole, y'all. The target. I believe it's out. Bruno, where you at? Gotta watch, well, the road's a little close. Must have went back over with Bill. But somewhere around here. Alright, let's get my scoop out. Not there. Believe it's in the scoop now. Yeah. Still in the scoop. I gotta get me a new scoop. I've been meaning to order one from the GPAA. I keep forgetting. Okay, still in my scoop. Got confused there for a second. Alright, it's in my hand. I think I see it. Maybe not. Is this? Yep. Piece of lead. First target for the day. Trash. Lots of it around here too. Alright, y'all. I got a signal up in between these Palo Verde trees and our creosote. I actually had to walk around just to come set the camera up. So I gotta walk back around. Give me a second. I'm a little warm. Hopefully you can see me in the bushes between the two creosote bushes, Palo Verde tree. Okay, let's see what we got. The signal up in here. Oh. Gotta remember to keep my pick up high. It makes my machine go off. Let's see, where was it? Bruno. Bruno, say big gold nugget. Bruno coming to photobomb. Let's see. Let's try to move it, get it out the hole. What else we got here? Maybe some calcite crystal. Alright, Bruno, you gonna eat trees now? Gotta move this target, boy. Let's see. Let's see if we've moved it yet, boy. Yeah. Gold hunting puts you all kind of positions in the desert, up in cactuses and trees and catclaw and thorns and stuff. But that's what we do to try to find a piece of gold. I think I moved it out the hole. I think. Alright, so it should be somewhere right here. Oh, let's see what we got. Move this rock. Let's see. Not yet. Watch out, boy. Huh. What'd I do? Put it back in the hole? Weird. Hopefully maybe it was a hot rock or something. I don't know. Now it's a faint sound. Okay. I moved it around somewhere. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, I believe it's in the scoop. Oh. Metal detecting in leggings. That's the first for me. Let's see. My machine's being a little wobbly. Come on, man. I don't know. I gotta adjust my machine, y'all. Be patient, please. Patience, please. Where you at, Bruno? Must be back over there with Daddy. Got wobbly. Alright. Maybe it's calmed down. I think it should still be in the scoop. Really? Okay, it still is. Ugh, I'm really in the bush. Better be careful or I'll poke my eye out. Excuse me. Allergies all the time. I apologize. Alright, in the scoop, in the scoop. Big old nugget, big old nugget. Still in the scoop. Okay. Getting down to something. Still in the scoop. Still in the scoop. Still in the scoop. Really? Let's see what we got. Y'all, I think I got a little tiny nugget. Let me see. Hold on, it's small. And yep, it's a little tiny one, y'all. Let me come around. Oh, heck. I needed that. It all adds up. So, it ain't always about the size, because they all add up. Woohoo! Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo! Got a nugget, y'all, but it's tiny, y'all. Let's see if you can see it. I really gotta get a new scoop, but I don't know if you can see it in the scoop. I don't know, the lighting, heck, I don't know. It's on my finger. Almost dropped it. I had to retrieve it again, but it is. Here, let me try this. Maybe you can see it this way in the sunlight. I have great Hollywood filming skills, don't I? There it is. It's a little nugget, y'all. It's a baby nugget. I'll take it. Yay, 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 yay. All right. On to the next one. All right, y'all. Over there where I covered my hole up. I don't know if you can see it around the bush, the creosote bush here. I don't know if y'all can see that. Anyways, I'm on the other side of the creosote bush. I've been detecting in the area and come around to the other side of the creosote bush because I got the little one on the back side of this in between the Palo Verde trees. But on the other side of the bush, I'm working my way around. I come around here and I have a signal here. So, let me get it dug up out the hole and let's see what we got. Alright, y'all, I got it out the hole. I'm pretty sure. I know it's about I dug about a 4 or 5 maybe inches hole. Bruno, get out the way. Get. Photobombing Bruno. So let's see. Right here. In the dirt, right there. Got my scoop? Okay. Somewhere around here. Not there. Was that it? I believe I have it in the scoop. Bruno, stay over here, buddy. I believe it's in the scoop. Hopefully you can see me through the bushes. Yeah, I think it's in the scoop. Yeah, it's getting louder now. Okay, I can hear it better now. Oh, thank goodness for knee pads. I love these knee pads. I just put them right on. I usually wear them under my detecting pants, but I just put them right on over my leggings today. Bruno Photo Bomber. Bruno the Photo Bomber. Still in the scoop. Still in the scoop. Not in the scoop. Still in the scoop. Yep, still in the scoop. Not in the scoop. I gotta get a new scoop. In the scoop. Still in the scoop, really. My leg's killing me. Nope. I hear it. What is it? Still in the scoop. What in the world? I'm trying, y'all. Bear with me. Trying to see in the sun. Still in the scoop. Whatever it is. Small. Really? I can't see. Let me try just a little. What in the world? What is that? Oh, man. It's a tiny, 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 tiny piece of trash. Holy crap. This machine can find the smallest things, I tell ya. I'm pretty impressed with myself, too, because, you know, those big ones are great, and I still plan on getting a big old fat one. But it's pretty, pretty cool when you can pinpoint and find a tiny, tiny piece like I did earlier. So I'm proud of myself as I have learned this GPX 6000 as I've been using it, you know, because I went from the Gold Monster to a completely different PI machine, pulse induction. That's totally different than a VLF, so you had to get used to it. But I sure do like it, and it's just amazing the smallest pieces of gold you can find with it, and find in areas that have been worked for years. Okay, back at it, y'all. Okay, y'all. I got Bill filming my ending. I'm hot. It's what's the temperature today, honey? Like 60?
70 or so.
No, maybe 60. I don't even think it's that much. Anyways, it's in the 60s, but I'm sweating. I'll tell you that right now. But anyways, I figure I'll do my ending here and maybe get a better view of this tiny nugget. That machine is pretty amazing, isn't it, honey? How small nuggets it finds.
Uh-huh.
And what's even more amazing, like I was telling them earlier, that we, you know, I'm proud of myself as I've improved with the machine, because I can find such tiny specks of gold and find it, pinpoint it, you know?
I didn't find any.
I know. He got skunk jaw and I got one. I hadn't got one in 2 months. But let's be careful. But
If the wind blows, you'll lose it.
I know, right? I hope y'all can see this better. I hope that y'all be able to see it in the sun without in my hand, I hope. But look how small it is. But that's cool. I'll take it. It's gold. Some gold's better than no gold in my book. And they, like Bill's always said, taught me, because y'all know he's my mentor for gold hunting. I learned through him that it all adds up. So on that note, basically, don't want to lose it. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you enjoy my videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.